We will be replacing the original battery with our special X longer battery for the Kindle 10th Gen. You will need pry tools to remove the glued cover of the Kindle. Make sure to apply a little force, but beware not to snap the front cover. The next step is loosening each screw with a Torx 5 screwdriver. Our X longer battery is 900 mAh, 3.7 volts, and will ensure that this new battery will last even longer than the original Kindle battery. This is because we are constantly researching and developing our technology to meet the demands of the latest gadget and device. Remove the back case using your fingers by peeling the edges. Again, apply some force to this. Now gently remove the original battery with a pry. Take extra caution as this is glued on at the back, and so make sure you don't rip it with force. Place on our new Cameron Sino X longer battery. Make sure to use your pry tool to align the wires and connectors correctly to avoid further hassle. After you have made sure that everything is in place, now put the back cover back on and tighten the screws. One of the greatest advantages of using our Cameron Sino X longer battery is the extra life and battery you will gain. The additional power will mean that you get to enjoy using your device for longer than when you purchased it from the store. You can bring your Kindle along anywhere and enjoy your reading time, worrying less about the battery percentage.